Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Janavi MS from the Department of the Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are gonna discuss the topic is software requirement engineering over the federated environment in distributed software development process. Let us see abstract. In the recent post, the distributed software development or DSD proceed become increasingly prevalent with the rapid evolution of the software development process. This transformation would necessitate a robust framework for software requirement engineering (SRE) to work the federated environments. Using the federated environment, multiple independent software entities would work together to develop software, often across organizations and geographical borders. The digitalization structure of the federated architecture makes requirement educations, analysis, specification, validation, and the administration more effective. The proposed model emphasizes flexible and agility, leveraging the collaboration of multiple localized models within a revised development framework. This collaborated approach in design to integrate the strengths of each local process, ultimately resulting in the creation of a robust software prototype. This performance of the proposed DST model in evaluated using two case studies in the e-commerce website and the learning management system. Introduction. In recent times, software engineering has undergoes a profound transportation concerning requirement engineering, fault localization, benchmarking, code translation, dependency evaluation, troubleshooting, and the adoption of the DSD or software or distributed software development. Distributed software development refers to a collaborative development of software systems by geographically dispersed teams, often operating in different time zones and organizational structures with the adventure federated learning environment. Software development has taken remarkable innovative possibilities like scalability, distributed model training, privacy prevention, and the rapid development process. This approach addresses the challenges arising from having development teams spread out across distinct projects and the prototype, sometimes using diverse development process and having a various stakeholders perspective. SRE utilizes federated environment to create ecosystem that surpasses geographical borders, enabling the unfined global model. The global model allocates the requirement prioritization for better prototypes. Literature review. There are considerably studies on distributed software development or DSD. The technology as the DSD would add a more effective, robust and scalable prototype in much more cost effective and secure manner. This variety locations also makes it possible for continuous development process, since teams in different time zones can work on the project continuously, which can also significantly reduce development time. 12. There are some of the reasons of the wider acceptance of DSD models. The existing studies in DSD and federal learning are discussed in the current section of the manuscript. A survey on the interaction design in DSD models was presented to Morgans to examine how distributed teams handle interaction design tasks and complicated and harass geographical, temporal, and cultural differences. In addition to identifying critical behaviors that may enhance teamwork and the project results, the research also highlights major obstacles these teams encourage the DSD model. Another study on learning soft skills through DSD involves a distributed online courses where the students worked on industrial projects of Danish clients. The course are aimed to teach Scrum and enhance soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and problem solving. The course also provide behaviorist teachers with insights for future course development. Materials and methods. The current section of the manuscript discusses the data that is being considered in evaluating the model, details on the implementation environment and pre-processing techniques are being discussed. Future engineering plays a vital role current study. The software requirement are considered features and proceed the federates environment, which is demonstrated using two case studies discussed in a subsection of the current study. The working process in the current study is shown in the flow diagram. The requirements gathered from the silent proceed, the segregated functions requirement F or a non-functional requirement NF4 are also explicitly defined, but they are identified based on the effort and the nature of the prototype that is being developed. Future engineering. The requirements that are associated with the prototype are assumed to be futuresome, and the future engineering is significant is determined with specific requirement of the higher priority and as incorporated before implementing the rest. 33. Initially, the future weights has assigned using weighted scrolling model WSM approach. The over the interaction, future weights are updated. The F4 is generally given more weight than the NF or based on customer preferences. However, not all the F4 would have the higher weightage not the weighter than the NF or. The block diagram represents the overall working of the proposed model. Role of the federated learning in DSD. The current section of the manuscript presents procedure that is followed in aggregating the future weights and the global model. That future weights and the accessed local models and GD and SEO aggregated the access weight and the global model rather than the replying centralized data stored on a single server. Federated learning algorithms learns from the data distributed across multiple connected salient devices. The data confidently integrity, security, access rights and the heterogeneity are some of the major issues addressed by the centralized servers in most FL implementation, which then help training distributed model for FL to work. Each silent security trains its central model through the model weight rather than sending the actual data. Results and discussion. The performance of the proposed FL model for DHT evaluated the various loss measures like MSE, MAE and PCC are used to evaluate the performance of the model. The future weights determine the significance of the requirements and the loss measures illustrate the actual weight that is associated with the requirement and assessed weight using the FL model from the local models. It is desired to have a minimal loss when evaluating the difference between the predicated loss and the actual loss. The loss associated with the local model and the global model is being assessed for some F4 and NF4 that are considered in the current study. The evaluations are done on both the case studies that are considered in the current study. Conclusion. The current study on the federated learning based distributed software development model portrays a feasibility of implementing the rapid prototyping, the agile software development model and practical implementation thereof. The current study has considered two local models work with the global model, where the future weights accessed at the local models using a stochastic gradient descent technique and the hand colony optimization techniques are aggregated together to formulate the weights functional requirements. The both case study of a range functional and the non-functional requirements of both case studies on the e-commerce website and learning management system prototypes of the performance are assessed loss measures like MSE, MAE and the person collaboration coefficient. It is observed that model has exhibited reasonable performance in terms of evaluation and metrics. The latency associated with processing the requirements over multiple iterations is evaluated in the current study. The model can further evaluated by examines more feature on the delivery evaluations metrics. The federal learning model for the distributed software development can further evaluated by implementing the local model over two distinct software prototypes and the integrated them global model distinct and the local models. Engineering and the software engineering and the requirement engineering domains. Robust model coherence may be achieved by the invocation improved aggregations methods and the adaptive learning strategies which can handle non-independently and identically distributed data, managing versions of FL models and maintaining integrity software model. This is considered to be one of the exponential important concerns in the FL environment, and it is considered to be one of the significant future researchers direction. Thank you.